Captain's blog, January 26, 2014, 13:23 hours. This is lab notes for Thumper disassembly. Mr. Kidwell is taking stills. I'm going to shoot video. And this is Thumper prototype. What version was this? 9?
Probably
8?
9.
I think this is 9. Assembly. The cables, the main umbilicals have just been cut so that we could maintain the original wiring so we know what goes where. Hang on, before you start taking shit apart.
I'm just getting that out. I'm going to put it back.
Alright.
I'm getting the wiring going to...
Alright, give me a second.
For what?
I'm going to get video of everything so that the whole internet can use this. And I know there's a guy who has a schematic of all this. And people can just pause and get details. Can't read the labels on the wire numbers.
They're in order.
They're in order? Okay.
From the big cable, yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to wipe that down to make sure.
I'm going to try and get numbers wherever I can so that we can replace parts. That's such a shitty diode stack. It's going to be so much nicer to be able to just tear this down, totally rebuild it, because...
Right, do we have a vacuum in here right now?
Yeah, we got a shot vacuum.
Because there's more... I'm seeing more soot getting banged off, so...
Yeah. Alright, that's the data I needed. The old way. That's a long, long history of a project there. It's going to be nice to have that just totally redone. No wood. God, I hate wood. Patrick's here in stereo.
Hi everybody, it is a very special edition of the blog. I'm here with Mike and Brian.
Hello.
And if you look closely, you'll see where we are. We're at the Grand Rapids Airport and we are on our way to Denver. I promise they're actually excited about it. They're just not doing a very good job of sharing that.
Once we're in the air, then I'll feel a lot better.
Once we've made one flight down?
Once we get off the runway successfully.
Alright. We're just hanging out, waiting for our flight. We're flying to Denver. From Denver, we're flying to Los Angeles. And we're going to show you what we're doing as it happens. But for now, we're just waiting at the airport.
See ya.
You know, I spend a lot of time on the road in hotels, and I have a pattern, and I rarely deviate from that pattern. There's a couple of places.
Oh, I'm going to video camera. Why not?
Really nice in the last year.
Give me video
Like
camera?
Grand Rapids, I've stayed.
Huh? You have a video camera?
Just the one from just the production.
I've stayed.
We don't need to bust out the production camera.
A long time.
Where's that?
Well, I normally have been staying at that Comfort Inn.
Oh.
Where Jimmy used to stay.
I have like 3 videos,
yeah,
video like that one, but
But with a
I think it's
CLC card,
recording.
that was like
My charger is missing.
they stopped taking it. So
Mine's
they're
got a blonde lady overlay.
I'm not paying 120 for the same room I used to pay 40 for. And so the country and the suites down by Myers, which is a weird location.
Yeah, you kind of got to swivel back behind.
But it's also never busy. So I was coming back from the Venus Star meeting and I was late from Baltimore. I ended up staying there, so I stayed there.
How much is it room rent?
$70 every month CLC card.
That's a pretty nice place. My cousin, one year,
they rented it and took their kids there, so spent the weekend there, so they'd swim in the swimming pool. I don't know if we had drinks with them one night, pizza. Comfortable. I mean, they're nice enough, you know.
I wonder if we'll see Mount Rainier. Oh wait, no, we won't. You might see Mount Rainier when you.
And then they all went to college when they were 22. I would go for that in a heartbeat. And I always say that there are kids who know exactly what they want to do when they got out of high school. Not that many, not anymore. But the ones that do, let them go to school, let them go to work, whatever. But everybody else should just disperse. You had to move 400 miles from home. So you leave your car here? I left it in the covered ramp actually. It's been something I did that in the summer. Just when I got back. It's a lot of snow. Sunday morning, but if I hadn't already got Matt carrying some of the load. I can go Thursday and Friday, and I'm not even 100% booked up. Like we're double, you know, going to each other's appointments on several cases. Probably the most relaxed schedule I've ever had. I haven't heard any areas right here. Once on one of those trips I went to Europe. We de-iced. Got in line. Just wait until I get de-iced again. Needed de-ice again. Got in line. Ran out of gas. Oh, gee.
Oh, he's got a little.
They're like, oh,
cherry
now we don't have
picker.
enough fuel. I have to
Oh, there it
pull out,
goes.
go get fuel, come back, de-ice all the time.
Wow.
We took off. That was
Pink.
on Detroit, actually. When I was in Detroit.
Looks pink.
So we were flying
It looks
across
pink to me
the-
too.
That's where that happened to me too. We didn't run out of gas, but I mean we didn't run out. But by the time we had done that,
yeah,
like,
you don't
okay, we
wanna
don't
be-
have enough fuel to get to Europe anymore.
You don't want to be on there without gas.
You're kidding me. You just have a truck come out here while we're in line and fill us up.
Oh, if you run out of batteries on the plane, I got that battery. I can charge it up, or I can keep it powered.
It's cool. It's cool. I got an extra battery. Maybe now that we've de-iced, we can go. That'd be pretty cool.
Had he missed a spot?
He seems to be finding all kinds of nooks and crannies to put de-icer.
Good.
The only downside their setup for that, well, there's two drawbacks. One, there's no facilities over there, food or bathroom, nothing like that. And then two, if you're not a skier and you want to be a spectator, you got to keep yourself over there. Yeah, and there were people that installed the car, so you got to work to get them.
I don't know if they brought anybody else.
I don't think they do. I know they've been asked. I don't think.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines West crew, we'd like to welcome you to Denver. Please remain seated while we taxi to the gate. Please keep all your carry-on and stowed till the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution opening up those overhead vents. Items do tend to shift during the flight and they could fall out. If you're making a connection, just deplane, check the TV monitor in the terminal for your flight and your gate number. This is the termination of this flight. Please check around you, make sure you have all your belongings. Thank you for choosing us at Southwest this evening. Go out, buckle up, drive safe. We do hope to see you again on a future flight. Welcome to Denver.
It is now 7:50 on Sunday in Denver. We are hanging out at a very glamorous stopover point. We had to find some places to charge our stuff, and this was the best that we could do. Because for some reason they stuck us in the back corner where they don't believe in having extra outlets. So we're hanging by the drinking fountain. Our flight coming to Denver was delayed, but that's okay because our flight leaving Denver was delayed. So we're now hanging out so that we can leave in about an hour, and we're super excited to get into Los Angeles around 2 o'clock in the morning, Michigan time. You excited?
Of course.
So excited.
The flight was pretty uneventful. It was a bumpy ride, but not too bad. We ate dinner. We're gonna chill out. We'll let you know when we finally land.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one. Sorry.
It is 11 o'clock in the evening in California, which means we have landed in Los Angeles. And the biggest thing we have noticed so far, there's no snow. See that? No snow. You want to know how happy we are about that?
Very.
Yeah, thank God.
Especially since we've been hearing about blizzard-like conditions the entire time we've been coming here. So this, pretty great.
In blizzard today?
A lot of the way over here was blizzarding.
Back in Grand Rapids.
In Grand Rapids and in the areas we were flying over. Not here. See that? No snow. So now we're gonna go get our luggage. We're gonna go to sleep and we will see you tomorrow.